Hello, dear students. Sixth semester electrical engineering. Once again, I am here along with numericals of DIT FFT algorithm for the particular subject digital signal processing. Myself here, Lalit Kumar P. Bhaiya, Associate Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, Bharati College of Engineering and Technology, Durg. Dear friends, we have already seen about the FFT algorithm that we have already seen. Decimation in time algorithm or decimation in time FFT algorithm. Last time we have studied about this algorithm or structure. And on the basis of this structure, we have to go for the numericals because we have to calculate the DFT components using this flow diagram. So this already we have seen. Now here you can see this efficient computation of the DFT FFT algorithm where we can calculate this x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n omega n into kn. This plays a very important role in this structure. This is called as Tweedle factor. And Tweedle factor has a circular property due to which we can calculate DFT very fast. And this Tweedle factor is given as omega n e to the power minus j 2 pi n by capital N. And hence, IDFT can be calculated as a small x of n is equal to 1 by n, summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1, capital X of k, omega n minus nk. Here plus nk, here minus nk. This is DFT and this is IDFT. So using these two equations, we can compute DFT and IDFT very fast manner using this DIT FFT algorithm. And this direct computation of the DFT can be calculated by e to the power minus j 2 pi omega n 2 pi n by nk by n by sin and cos terms, that is complex quantity. Then this method which we have seen already is the radix 2 algorithm, radix of the FFT algorithm. So n point DFT has a regular patterns. The numerator R is called as the radix of the DFT algorithm. So here you can say this R1, R2, R3, R to the power n, capital N is equal to R to the power n is called the radix. That is base of the FFT algorithm. So n is equal to 2 to the power, this n is equal to 2 to the power v. V is the number of stages. If capital N is equal to 8, then 2 to the power v. So v is equal to 3. So for 8-point DFT calculation using DIT algorithm, we require 3 stages. So 8-point DFT, there are 3 stages we require. And this radix 2 decimation in time algorithm and radix 2 decimation in frequency algorithm. These two types of algorithms are used. DIF generally used for the inverse DFT and DIT is used for the DFT calculation. This diagram we have already seen. Now we will go to the numerical. This numerical is shown here. Determine the 8-point DFT of the following sequence. Small x of n is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. We have to calculate DFT using DIT radix 2 DIT algorithm, radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. Let us go for the solution. And here you can see the solution is given for that problem. But before that, I have considered this problem here. X of n is equal to this points are given 8 point and find x of k using DIT FFT flow graph. using the result in 1 and not otherwise, find DFT of the sequence x1 of n minus 1, 2, minus 4, plus 2. Justify your answer. And using result in 2, find the DFT. So what is here? We have to calculate the DFT first for this 8 point using DIT FFT algorithm, and then for the given this 4 point we have to find the other 4 point DFTs. Let us see. This is the diagram. You can see this is x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 3, x of 1, x of 5, and x of 3. This is x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, and x of 7. And we have drawn this DIT FFT algorithm. And simply we will put the values here. What these values are given: minus 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 4, 0, 2, 0. We will put these values here. And we will calculate here the twiddle factor omega at 0, and here also omega at 0. So we can calculate this twiddle factor, and we will multiply here like this, and this will be, you will get the sum. So x1 of 0, s1 of 0, s2, s1 of 1, s1 of 2, s1 of 3, s1 of 5, s1 of 4, s1 of 5, s1 of 6, and s1 of 7. These values are calculated using these given values, these values at the input. And then at the second stage, these two cross multiplications are there, and we will calculate these values. We will calculate these values here, twiddle factors. This is omega n0 and omega at 0 and omega at 2. Here also omega at 0 and omega at 2. And again we will calculate here. These calculations are given here. See, these S1, S2 these are the 4 twiddle factors which are already calculated here. Omega at 0, omega at 1, omega at 2, omega at 2. According to formula, this is e to the power 0, e to the power minus j pi by 4, e to the power minus j pi by 9, and this is, you can calculate here. So this calculation and output of the first stage we can calculate S1, S2, S3 like this, and output of the second stage you can calculate same cross multiplication and addition, and final output you can calculate here. So this type of output can be calculated, and finally these DFTs are calculated here. From x0 to x sub capital X0 to capital X sub 7, these DFTs can be calculated. Thank you very much for this numerical. Again next time we will go for the another numerical and remaining topic of this DFT. Thank you very much for listening and hearing. Go for the more problems. Thank you very much.